Hi, I'm Simon Kos. I'm here to help you with your AdWords questions. So today the question is, what's your preference for new account setup, main campaign with separate ad groups for locations, or a campaign for each location? I have about 50 location-specific targets for my keywords. I'm using shared budgets to keep the monthly budget in check. So you cannot set separate ad groups for locations. Locations is something you target on the campaign level, so you have to create different campaigns for different locations if you want to control the money and the hours and everything else, the bids for every location. The right methodology is to create a new campaign for every location you want to target. This is really important because prices are different in each location. There are huge difference in prices in each location, so you have to control how much money you spend on each location, how money you spend on each bid on every location. So this is a rule you should follow. Every location, every location has its own campaign, of course. You use shared budgets. It's not 100% a right decision to use shared budgets because you cannot control the budget for each location. Maybe there are locations that are cheaper than others or more expensive than others. So if you want to be really competitive in these expensive locations, you have to control manually how much money you spend on this location, daily budget, and of course on the bid on each location. So we suggest you to not to use shared budgets, but to use manual budget, set a budget by location, and then of course keep in mind the addition of its campaign to have the final budget you want to spend on these campaigns. 50 campaigns, it's a lot of time to create and of course more time to control them. So you need time. Be aware of the money you will ask for your boss from your client because you will need time to spend in every location. Of course, don't forget that you can do changes to a lot of campaigns at the same time. There are a lot of tricks. If you have something you need to do in 50 campaigns at the same time, just ask us how to do it. There are a lot of clever ways of doing really fast. Change bids, change ads, change settings. There are a lot of fast tips to do it fast. So we help, and we are all here to help and make you achieve your goals and get high ROI in your AdWords campaigns. Thanks for watching.